Hi, Dr. Cornell. Thank you for spending the time and for helping me with this program. So I created lists here based on the different genres, and the names really go with the genre selection for the movies that are in the list. So action movies, comedy, drama, horror. Created an output string that is printed at the end of the program with the action, the list of movies that the user responded yes to. So that's that. And then here I created a user input request, and uh, the request or the response will be captured in a lowercase by using this method here, just to make everything more consistent. Also here, with your help, we are validating the response, and the user can only enter yes or no. So that is part of the request for user input, and then also validating the response. Down here, if the user responded yes to each of the user requests, then the output string would be joined with the list that the user responded yes to. And then if the user responded no, then the program would print out no movies are available, or else it would print the output string down below. So I will run the program so you can see how it works. And I sort of found a bug and wanted to show you what I did to I guess debug. So I'm going to run this program here, and we're going to go on this side. I want to answer the questions. I'm going to stop the program that's running now, and I'll run this one here. As you can see, we're on this tab here, which is a movie selector. And let's run through the program. And then here, the question is, do you prefer action movies? And I'll say yes. But then it keeps asking me, please enter yes or no. So I'll go ahead and enter yes. I'll say no to comedy. Again, I'm being asked to enter a yes or a no. Do you prefer drama movies? I'll say yes. And then I'll say yes again. And then I'll say no. And then no again, right? And then it's giving me the response. It's giving me the program is printing out, please watch the following suggested movies based on my answers. But what I did, and I thought maybe I should, when validating, and if I entered the correct information, then it shouldn't be validated. So I did some little bit of research and came up with a different way, which is using a while statement. So basically, while this is true, right, and if the selection in lowercase is a yes or no, then the system will leave it alone and continue. Otherwise, it's going to ask you or the user to enter yes or no. So I will try this. This is the new way that I am testing. And then everything else looks the same based on what I had before. So I will try that and then see what we come up with. Okay, everything else is left the same. Just this first input prompt is changed with the while statement. So let me run this. And down here, do you prefer action movies? I'll say just I'll do a number and see what happens. Okay. It should have prompted me to please enter a yes or a no. So there's like another glitch there. So I have to figure that out. But then everything else stayed the same. It's still asking me the same question. So I have to figure this out and fix it. So let me work on this and then come back and show you what I have. So I went back and tried to find a way to fix this here, this logic for this program, for the statement, this while statement, to see if it would not have to validate if not necessary. And it seemed to not work. So I'll just show you. I'll run the program. And it's basically doing the same thing that this program here with the if statement, it's asking the question twice, is doing. So there's something that is not right. I just can't figure it out. So any feedback, any input would be greatly appreciated. But I just want to go through the questions and show that the program works, just not how it should be working. Try a different response. Try it again. So that's what I have. Again, Dr. Cornell, if you have any feedback in regards to how I can get these prompts to be asked a second time, if I had a correct yes or no, and then so that this question here would be avoided. Your feedback is greatly appreciated. Thank you so much. See you soon.